I just wanted to show, here's my silver stash, about 250 ounces, give or take. Here are my resin prints. And this is to show off the strength of my resin. Just kind of want to show you. This is same amount of silver, nothing supporting it on either side. Still one Atlas. Bearing the weight of 251 ounces of silver, as you can see. Just so you can, this might break the model, but we're going to show you nothing underneath. 3, 2, 1. Hi, we're going to be talking about my latest addition to silver. I actually got a couple. Added some silver American Eagles. I'm going to show that here. I actually love these. They just 2023. So we'll show that off. It has a security feature on the side. Kind of how you know it's the real genuine deal. I guess they remove a reed. So, and there's the back. A nice good look at it. Got about 5 ounces of that stuff. So 5 ounces I added to my buffalo stack here, because I didn't know where else to put it. So I might just do, for now, we'll do its own over here. Right? Now we got the American Silver Eagles. So, and here's my buffalo rounds. Add that to here. Sorry about for the video taking so long to get to. I actually haven't been receiving my silver shipments like I usually do. Actually took about 3 weeks because my last shipment didn't come through at all. Got lost in the mail. I got scissors this time. So this time and added more buffaloes to this, about 8, so we'll count them up, make sure we got what we ordered. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, let's get these cut out and put it in with the stack. With this, I have 264 ounces added to the stack now. 264 ounces. Well, minus 5 because of this right here. Actually, minus 5 plus 5 because I got 5 American Eagles. So, yeah, 69 ounces. Show them to you. Look at that. And I also been 3D printing. I'll be posting this once I get more printed. So this is my Imperial Mark 2023. It is a can holder. So let's see if I can get my soda can. What is this one? See? Beer can holder. I'm gonna be selling this on my Etsy store. I got so I'll let you know when that's live, or you can use it for if you wanted silver. But I'll probably make a silver holder next. So it's Atlas. If you guys are wondering what this is, so this is the Greek. I think it's Greek Atlas, holding up the world. So it's a Titan. So. Or God, or something like that. Someone can correct me in the comments for sure. Like, no, that's this. And then later this day, I'm going to be showing you a stress test I did on some miniatures I had to see if we can hold up the weight of the silver I have over here. Right, all of it, 17.5 pounds. Just 200 something odd ounces. Some crazy number. So these are just American buffaloes, all of them. So I'll show you guys that real good. Very beautiful design. And these are generic rounds, not minted by the U.S. government, whereas the American Eagles are minted by the U.S. government. So that's why these are rounds and those are coins. With this, I think we're gonna have another tube filled. Might have one over, so might have to put it in the next one. We'll see. So we'll try closing this. And close. We're about one over. Before it closes, we now have 20 ounces in this tube. And just to recap from my last video, bring that over here as well. And I'll show you all this silver again. Just to recap. So clean up this area. So just to recap, I'm a game developer, so I'm working on a tabletop set. So this is the tabletop set I'm working on. I collect silver and print 3D models, just in case you're new to this channel. So, and I'm going to show you and I'm going to recap, kind of like my last video, where I am in total with my silver collection. So I actually have, this is for my uniques. So this is for all of the rounds. So I got the Biden, I think it's a 5 gram, something like that. So I'm not counting that, but I still add it to my collection. So let's see if you guys can see that. Okay, and we'll just go through and we'll count up the ounces, because this is a recap of the last video, just kind of know where I'm at and where I was, where I'm at now currently. So this is 12, 24, 25 an American Silver Eagle, 26 now in this. That's 26 ounces of silver. So 26, and then for these, one of the American Silver Eagles in there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 26, 30 ounces, 35 ounces, and then we'll go 20. So 35, 55. Yeah, and just not to confuse myself, I'll count again. So 26, 30, 50, 70, and 75. 95. So I was at 95, 95, and this is probably 19, so 95, 19. Let's see, my math's bad here. 111? No. 114. This is stuck at 20. 114. just a little fried when it comes to math sometimes. So 20, 60, 120, 120, 180, and then 180 plus another 60. Is 240. $240, $241, 2, 3, 4. $249. And then of course the 26 in here. 249 plus 26. So we won't just count the duplicates. So 249, 250, 251, 253. Blah, blah, blah. Anyways, there's 269 ounces here. So just to kind of recap, so this is where I'm at, 269 ounces of silver. It took me about 2 years to accumulate. It started back in July of 2021. So this is my first American Silver Eagles. I'll be getting me more of these because I really do love the design. And then we'll show some other stuff. I'm gonna have to do a video on like cleaning up silver because I realized I left this out and it got kind of tarnished. So I actually have some tarnish cleaner for silver. So I'm going to be cleaning that up along with some other rounds over here as well. So, and then just to show you kind of like my collection a little bit up close so you guys can see it. So 007 Aztec, I believe that is a 50-cent piece right there, right? We got Psalms. One of my favorite pieces currently is probably this one by APMEX. So I'll show you the reverse because someone asked about that in the last video. So that's the reverse APMEX. And the only reason I get APMEX is because I don't have any local coin dealers. If you guys know anyone that's better for online dealers, go ahead and let me know. I think SD Bullion's one I'm kind of looking at. I did money metal exchange or whatever it was, and they were kind of pricey. That's where I got this Donald Trump at. You guys can see that. So that's where I'm at currently. And just to show you this Atlas again. So it's a very strong model. So be putting this on Etsy sometime soon. If you guys are interested, go ahead and let me know. So it's gonna be basically a beer can, wherever you want to hold for it. If you guys want me to make like I was thinking about making coin holders for silver ounces. So the possibilities are endless on what I can 3D print. Whatever you find useful, go ahead and let me know down in the comments, and I'll 3D print it. One of my goals I'm going to be doing here in the next couple videos, and I'm going to be trying to do a video at least once a month, because I'm not a full-time YouTuber, so this is kind of more like a Dear Diary log of like my silver collection here. So we're going to put all this stuff back. Like I said later in the video, we're going to be showcasing it, and there'll be some editing in this video, of course. So if you see some skipping, that's more likely it. I just want to establish trust with new viewers of this channel as I grow this channel. And thank you for the 10 subscribers who did subscribe. I just want to kind of show towards the end of the video kind of a better look at the model here. Obviously needs some cleanup, and then she'll be good to go, ready to accept your guys' cans. Thank you all. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe on this video. All of it helps to grow the channel and grow my brand. So my brand, Imperial Mark Gaming. Thank you, and have a lovely day.